These are the replacement bottom bolts. All right, so we have all 6 of our bolts up, but they are not tightened, not even a little bit. It's basically just sitting up there and holding this pan on, but they're not tight. So I'm getting ready to go over this tightening process because it's not that easy. So these are torque to yield bolts, also called stretch bolts, and we have 6 of these, as I showed you earlier. So these are designed to stretch as you put them on. So raise your hand if you ever use the back of an envelope as a notepad. All right, so here you can see we need 4 Newton meters plus a 180 turn. 4 Newton meters is also 35.4 inch pounds. So we need 34.5 inch pounds plus a 180 turn. So I have an inch pound torque wrench. You can get one of these from the auto parts store. You can rent one of these for around 60, 70 bucks, and then you can return it and get your money back if you don't want to have to buy one of these. So the OEM brand is a really good brand. It's better than the Pittsburgh brand, if you ask me. So go ahead and set this to 35.4 inch pounds. So you see that 35 right there? I need to get that 0 on that line of the 35. So right there is where I need to be. I got the 0 right there, and then we have to add that 0.4. So, because it's 35.4. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll tighten this here down to lock it in place. So now we're set for 35.4 inch pounds. Now we're gonna do it in cross patterns. So we're gonna start with this one here, and then come over to here, and then here to here, and then I'll do the inside ones. So let's start with this corner one first. I don't even need an extension for the corner ones. So now I'm gonna come to this side, and I'm gonna do the same thing. See it click right there? So now I'm gonna go about 90 like that. Then come back and go another 90. And that should be my 180. Now I can do over here. Right there, it clicked there. So now I'll do my 90. So I'm gonna use the transmission pan as my 90. So I'm gonna start from here, go there, come back here again, and one more, and there goes my 180. Now let's go here. So right there is clicked. I'm gonna use this pan to get my 90. So I'm gonna go from here to about here. So that's my 90 there. And let's get one more in right there. So that's my 180 total. I'm gonna go to the clicks. All right, it clicked there. So I'm gonna use, again, I'm gonna come back here so I can use my pan. I'm gonna stop here about 90. And come back, get 90 more. And that's 180 total. And now that one's tight. So this one here, of course, is tricky. If you can't reach in that one, instead of trying to drop this all the way down, if you have a slim wrench, it's okay to just tighten that down a little bit. While you're adding your fluid and you get your transmission up to temperature, you'll be able to make sure that that's not leaking on that side. But if you can't get your torque wrench in on this corner here, just put your tool on there with a slim wrench and get that tightened down as best as you can.